Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard on ClickUp so you can track projects, monitor progress, and stay organized with a clean, high-level overview. Whether you're managing a growing team, trying to simplify your workflow, or you simply want clearer visibility into your tasks, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, head over to the ClickUp website and log into your account just like you normally would. Enter your email, type in your password, and then click the Login button. Once you're inside your workspace, you'll land on your home screen where all your tasks, spaces, and tools come together. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll until you find Dashboards. This is where ClickUp gives you the power to build customized overviews that bring all your important data together in one place. Go ahead and click on Dashboards, and then choose Create Dashboard. You'll see two options. You can start with a blank dashboard or pick from a variety of templates designed for different workflows. Templates are great if you want a quick starting point because they come with widgets already organized for things like task tracking, team workload, and project health. Once you've created your dashboard, it's time to start customizing it. And choose the type of information you want to display: task lists, status charts, time tracking, sprints, goals, or even embeds from other tools. Each widget helps you understand your work from a different angle, and you can mix and match as much as you like. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Think about what you want to monitor before adding widgets, keep your dashboard clean and easy to scan, and avoid adding too many elements at once. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary clutter. Once you've added your widgets, arrange them by dragging and resizing until everything looks neat and organized. After that, you should be able to track your projects at a glance without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to adjust sharing permissions if your team needs access. Taking this extra step ensures everyone sees the information that matters most. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a ClickUp dashboard that keeps your workflow efficient and your projects crystal clear. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make someone's day easier?